The Toothsome Chocolate Emporium and Savory Feast Kitchen is one of the newest additions to Universal City Walk, the resort's exciting dining and entertainment complex. There are so many different dishes to try, sweet and savoury, but the real showstoppers at this new restaurant are these amazing milkshakes. Here are just some of our favourites. Ever seen a shake that tall? That's whipped cream topped with a Rice Krispie cake and a huge marshmallow. This vanilla and banana milkshake comes topped with a chocolate-covered banana, whipped cream, and a cherry on top. Salted caramel ice cream covered in Dulce de Leche salted pretzels, whipped cream, and chocolate cigars. Not for the faint-hearted, this shake is topped with a whole red velvet cupcake, whipped cream, and a cherry on top. Yum! Sweet yet sour at the same time, the key lime pie milkshake is a twist on the classic Floridian dessert. Try out these flavours for yourself at the Toothsome Chocolate Emporium and Savory Feast Kitchen on City Walk, Universal Orlando Resort.